Hi everyone, it's Abby from Feather & Fossil Interior Design. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a cozy reading nook on Foyr Neo. I'm going to start by adding bookcases to my room. I'm adding one from the catalogue and resizing it to fit. I'm then applying the free movement tool and positioning it into place in my room. I'm then going to use the clone tool to duplicate to make a large book storage area. I'm using the blue highlight to tell me when the items are snapped to the wall. I'm then going to go to the Create New Product tool and draw a rectangle. I'm then using the Push-Pull tool on the left-hand panel to add height to my rectangle. Once done, I'm exiting this mode and then applying the Free Movement tool to the new shape and positioning it in the left corner to make my bookcases look like one complete built-in unit. I'm then going to change the colour of my bookcases. Because I have cloned the items, all the colours will change at the same time. Next, I'm going to add some floor plants to my space. I'm adding these from the catalogue, and then I'm going to customise one of them by adding a different pot. I'm going to resize the pot and position it into the right place. I'm then going to apply the invisible texture from the catalogue to the original pot so you can't see it. Now I'm going to add a comfy armchair to the space. I'm going to resize it to make a large and cosy area. I'm then adding a rug beneath and a side table. I'm also adding a table lamp to the side table. I'm going to use the warm white light from the catalogue to change the colour of the bulb to give the space a warm, soft atmosphere. I'm now going to add items to my bookcases. I'm adding a range of different books from the catalogue, as well as ornaments, candles and vases. I'm using the Rotate, Resize and Free Movement tools to make them fit within the bookcase sections. Next, I'm going to add some wall lights above my bookcase to add more zoned lighting. I'm using the clone tool to quickly duplicate, and as with the previous lights, I'm changing the bulb colour to a warm light. I'm now adding a wooden ladder to the bookcases to access the top shelves. I'm rotating and resizing to ensure it reaches the top. I'm then adding a rail from the catalogue for the ladder to move along. I'm using the Rotate and Free Movement tools to position in place. I'm then cloning this around the bookcase unit. Next, I'm adding some cosy pillows and blankets to the armchair. I'm amending the positioning and texture to make them fit my design. I'm now going to take my render by clicking Take Render in the top right corner. I can change the internal and external lighting, as well as the environment at this point. You can take a preview of your render, and the preview will appear on the bottom right. When happy with the render, click the Take Render button. Choose the 4K option for the best quality. Here are the finished renders. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to try Foyr's 14-day free trial. Click the link in the description below. See you in the next video.